people who do events such as weddings, you know, parties, crusades, such. This is the microphone for you. Comes from the one and only Soundmaster. It assures you of great quality. It has a range of even up to 100 meters. You can move for up to a range of 100 meters without the signal getting lost. So here is the LR616 microphone. As you can see, it comes in a very sturdy case. Looks like a suitcase. So it's very good to walk around with, go with to events and such. Let me just open it up so that I can show you the microphone. It looks like this. This is the receiver for the microphone. Let me put it here. And then here are the microphones. So there are two microphones. It's a pair. It comes with this microphone. This is the first one. This is the second one. They're both metallic, so they're very durable and strong quality, so it won't disappoint you. And then it comes with the antennae that you attach to the receiver for signal, so you are sure that the quality of the sound will be top-notch. Next, we have the jack cable that connects the receiver to the mixer or to whatever speaker you have. We also make sure we give you some AA battery so that you don't suffer once you buy these microphones. There are some connectors. You can connect the receiver to a flight case if you need. And then we have some anti-rollers to make sure your microphone does not get any damage. And definitely we have the adapter for giving power to the microphone. So this microphone has great features, as I have mentioned. It has a range of up to 100 meters from the microphone to the receiver. It has infrared technology, meaning you can change the channels up to 200 channels. So in case you have any other signals, any other microphones that you're using, you can be able to change the channel for this microphone. This microphone comes with 1 year warranty, as is the norm with the Soundmaster product, so you are assured of having great quality. So in case you're looking for such a microphone, LR616 is the microphone to use.